Stop a sneeze in its tracks by pressing your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Yes, it's that simple and it actually works. Most people just brace themselves and wait for the sneeze to explode, but you can hijack the reflex before it even starts. Sneezing is your body's way of clearing irritants, but the process is controlled by a reflex arc in your nervous system. By applying pressure with your tongue, you disrupt the signal that tells your brain to let loose with a sneeze. This little hack is perfect when you're in a meeting, on a date, or about to sneeze at the worst possible time. It's basically a secret off switch for your nose. Next time you feel that tingle, skip the frantic search for a tissue and use your tongue instead. The urge to sneeze often fades away in seconds, leaving everyone around you none the wiser.